Let's listen to English dialogues for beginners. At a restaurant. By Oxford Reading University.
Dialogue 1. Arriving at the restaurant and ordering. Yua enters the restaurant. The waiter approaches her with a warm greeting.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. A table for two in the name of Reed.
Perfect. Right this way, please.
The waiter leads Yua to a table where Reed is already waiting.
Hey, Yua, you look stunning.
Thanks, Reed. You're not looking too shabby yourself.
Here's your table. I hope you both enjoy your evening.
Thanks. This place looks charming. But do you think we can be seated out? The weather is just lovely.
You are right. I love the idea.
Absolutely. Let me show you to a nice table on the terrace.
They sit down and the waiter hands them menus.
Here are the menus. Our chef has some fantastic specials tonight.
Great. What's the chef's recommendation?
Tonight we have a mouth-watering lobster risotto that's been a big hit.
Sounds amazing. What do you think, Reed?
I'm in. Let's go for the lobster risotto. We should also try caprese salad. I heard it's really good here.
They turn to the drink menu.
I could use something refreshing. How about we start with some sparkling water?
Sure, sounds good. And maybe we can try one of those fruity cocktails later?
We have fresh orange juice if you're interested.
Oh no, I'm allergic to oranges.
I see. How about a strawberry cocktail?
Absolutely. Let's go for a strawberry mojito.
Excellent choices. Your drinks will be right up.
Want to see more videos like this? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Dialogue 2. During dinner.
So, Reed, how's your day been?
Not bad. Work was a bit hectic, but knowing I'd be seeing you made it better.
Smooth talker. I like it.
Their drinks arrive and they clink glasses.
To a fantastic evening, and even better company.
Cheers.
They take a sip and browse the menu for dessert options.
Are you interested in dessert tonight?
Definitely. What's the dessert special?
Our chef's special dessert is a chocolate lava cake.
Chocolate lava cake? Count me in.
I have to say, Reed, this was a fantastic choice for dinner. You really know how to pick a place.
Well, I aim to impress. Hold on, I'm going to ask for water.
Reed signals to the waiter.
Yes, sir?
We're going to need a bottle of water, please.
Sparkling or still?
Yua.
Still, please. Also, could you please bring a couple more tissues?
Certainly.
The waiter leaves.
So, Reed, do you cook?
Oh, you don't want to see me in the kitchen. I once tried making spaghetti, and let's just say it turned into a pasta disaster.
Well, it's a good thing you didn't invite me over for pasta. The food here is delicious. Thanks for bringing me here.
You know, the night is still young. How about we go for a little walk? What do you say?
I'd love that.
Dialogue 3. Paying.
Excuse me. Could we get the bill, please?
Certainly. Right away.
The waiter brings the bill.
How about we split it?
Please, it's my pleasure. I had a wonderful time. Let me take care of it.
That's really sweet of you.
Cash or card, sir?
Card, please.
Thank you, sir. I hope you both had a great evening.
We did. Thank you.
For more English dialogues for beginners, check out appava.com. Also, check out this video. It will help you to improve your English right now.